Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete and uninstall applications from your LG TV. So the first way that we can do it is just by going through the app list right here and selecting it with the OK button. So let's go to Apple TV. I'll probably never use that one, but just hold down on the OK button when you're over the app. Otherwise, you can use the scrolly wheel and go to it. So let's go to Apple TV and hold down the middle button, and you'll hear a small click. But you can move this around. Now we can go to the trash icon right here and go to yes. Are you sure you want to delete and uninstall Apple TV? Let's go to yes. Now this is going to be removed. Now there's another way that we can do this. If we go to the App Store, so let's go to where it says All Apps, way over here on the far left. Select this. Then I'm under Manage Apps. So if you go to the top right, you got these three little dots right here. So let's use my scrolly wheel and then go to this, select it, then go to Manage Apps. Then under here, we can see our apps list. Now the stuff that's already like pre-installed on your TV, you're gonna have to go through the app list and delete them. But if you download something through the store, it will show up under here. So you can see I have Peacock on here. I'm gonna go to the delete option. Are you sure you want to delete Peacock? So let's go to yes, and it's gonna be removed from my TV now. So there's two different ways you can do that depending on the application that you have, but the easiest way would probably be just go to the app list right here and then just go to delete on them, unless you have a bunch of apps on your TV. So I'm not going to use Sling TV, Prime Video, Max, or any of these. I'll probably just use my Fire Stick, or I have something called ONN I will use on my TV from now on. The UI on this is just a little bit slow on my TV, and I think I prefer something else. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.